The purpose of this one page is to try to help you see planning in a different light. The planning of effective programs, it is an art and a science. And I learned this in the 1980s at an AIDS conference in San Francisco. 40 some years later, I still remember it. And I'm hoping that it helps you remember how to plan effective programming or how to have an effective program. So what is on the screen is YJ73. That, if you can remember YJ73, you will have the basis of planning effective programs. Why? Why means, why are you doing this? What do they need to get, learn, or be able to do from what you're doing? What is the goal? What is the purpose? What is the big plan? Why? And it should not be a secret to your audience. They should know why, what the purpose is. The next one is a hook, like a fish hook. When you're fishing, you put what the fish likes on the fish hook. And when you're planning a program, you put something on that fish hook that means something to your audience. So the hook means you need to hook them into what you're doing at the very beginning. And that hook must be something appealing to them. So for example, if you're teaching them heart health and you're teaching it to teenagers do not care about 50 years from now. They care about this weekend. They care about their friends. So what goes on the hook for teenagers might be that if you have a healthy heart, you can do more activities. You can be more active with your friends. You'll be able to do more things. That is a hook for them. If you're doing heart health for somebody in their 50s, the hook is different because what hooks them in is different than what hooks in a teenager. Maybe you talk about why having a healthy heart could help them live longer and be around for their family and enjoy their children and grandchildren and friends more because they have a healthy heart. So the point of this is the hook for your audience. What are you going to do to hook them into what you're doing to make them want to be there and make them want to learn what you want them to learn? 7 means you should never try to teach more than 7 new pieces of information at any one time. Ideally, you teach fewer than 7 items, but never try to teach more than 7 new items at a time. If you're reviewing something, that does not count as a new item. And finally, the 3. Whenever you're doing something and you want people to learn it, you need to attempt to teach it 3 different ways and or reach 3 different types of learners. So this is the shortcut. If you can't remember anything else, please try to remember this. Why are you doing it? And do they know why you're doing it? What's the hook that you're using to bring them in and get them excited about what you're doing? What are the 7 or fewer new items that you're going to help them learn? And what are the 3 different ways you're going to reach different learning styles and different learners?